Ladies and gentlemen, to the Fishing Doctor's Adventures. It's a brisk minus 34 degrees Celsius this morning, but look, we're fortunate. I don't know if you could call us fortunate. The flag of Canada is standing still, which means minus 34 degrees Celsius. It's not too bad. So we're gonna drive out to another lake and try to catch some big pike. Maybe find a few walleye. Yesterday was super slow. Sorry for that video. But today, I'm hoping we really find some good fish. So stick around. We're gonna go drop some big herring and see if we can't catch some fish with my brother. Let's go. My fingers are freezing. On the road again. Okay.
What's warming up?
It's warming up. It's minus 29 degrees Fahrenheit. And the moon is beautiful. Full moon. And look at that. How it's shining light straight down and above because it's so cold. See that? I don't know if I've ever seen that before. Can you see it? Like, am I just seeing something? It's like a dog. What do you call it? On a sun, it's called a sun dog. That's like a moon dog. What's a moon? Has anyone ever seen a moon dog before? I think that's formed by the ice crystals in the air because it's so cold. It's at minus 34 at the cabin. We got two moose on the road, a cow and a calf. Let's see if we can get them in the video here. We'll just approach them nice and slowly there. Keeping their eyes on us. It's cold here. It's minus 28. So the animals are moving, trying to stay warm. Look at this. Yeah, keep going just slowly.
Oh, they were walking down the road. See that?
Oh yeah. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Oh, here they go. Don't chase them, don't chase them.
I know.
Yeah, they're just gunning off.
Yeah.
Those are pretty big.
Yeah. The calf was a good size.
Calf was a good size already.
Yeah. Looked healthy.
Let's see. Yeah, they didn't even stop. They're gone. We've been fishing. We got our first flag. We got our first flag on. It's in really cold. We got frostbite. Here, Aldo. Here. Oh yeah, it's there. Oh, it's peeling. That's a big one. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah. Is that him? Yeah? Decent? Fish. Maybe we just need to move deeper here. This is the deeper hole. Maybe we just need to go to the 10-foot. Oh, there are lots of hooks on there. Careful, pull up careful because there's hooks on the above. I have a hook lower and hook above. Here. There you go. He's coming. Oh, little guy. A little guy. Okay. Leave him in the hole. Here's the hook. It's only one hook. See if he's close. Shoot.
That's how you lip him with a
hurry, hurry, hurry. Put him back. It's cold.
He's like, I'm frozen.
Frozen. What are you guys doing fishing today?
There we go.
Well, yeah, I pulled out a lot. Well, it's brutally cold here today. We got only one flag in this shallow spot, so because it's so cold, we're thinking sometimes it even affects the temperature of the water. Under the ice, who knows? Really high pressure system, nice clear sky. As you can see, we set up the Eskimo tent. Our buddy heater wouldn't even start. The pilot kept going out, so I don't know, it's cold out here. Minus 30 something, probably minus 40 something with the wind chill. My hands freeze like instantly when they're out. So we set up the tent to protect the fish if they were to bite, but we just got one little guy on the tip up, so we're gonna move to a deeper water main lake structure, like a point with a nearby flat, so we'll see if they're out there. Okay, let's go check it out. Some other different place than this. pack up and go. When I was setting this one, marked a fish, but oh yeah, oh, that could be a good one now. Oh, that could be a good one. Yeah, guess that hook. Yeah. Is it a good one?
Bigger than the last one.
Bigger than the last one. Oh yeah.
Now he's feeling smaller.
Man, they're torquing today. Peeling.
Yeah, he peeled a lot.
Yeah.
Well,
he's a little bigger.
yeah, he's got a little bit more weight, that's what I said.
Yeah, let him fight. Don't pull him too hard up. Okay, let's see. Oh, it must be a decent one.
I can't see down the hole, so I can't.
Here comes. Oh yeah, that's better. That's a big pike. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Not bad.
That's a 9-10 pounder.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold them up like nice. That's a beauty. Maybe we should get the hooks out, leave them in the hole. You want to get your pliers? Because your hands are going to freeze.
Oh, here.
Oh yeah, they're right there. Oh yeah, look at that one. 2. There we go. Oh yeah, where's the...
Here. Quick release.
Yeah.
On this guy.
We should get you your phone.
What?
I want to get a picture of my camera. We'll run over to the truck. Oh man, that's a beauty. Okay.
Good, but yeah, close to 10.
That's a big one.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
His eyes are like frozen up.
Yeah, nice one.
We'll go.
Bigger than you thought, huh?
No, that's about what I thought. If I had to guess while I was reeling, I would have said 8 pounds.
Man, your hands must be cold.
There you go.
Wow, that's one pike so far. Did it just wind trip?
Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Eat it.
Hopefully it's not frozen. Maybe we should lift it.
Well,
I just lifted
spun it.
this one up.
Yeah.
But like the line, hopefully it's not twisted. He's eating it.
I don't know, I'm wondering if I should let him keep eating it.
You're so fussy today.
That's it? You kidding me?
He'll come eat it. He wants it.
Come on.
It spun a few times and that was it. It's 20 feet one, huh?
Probably perch.
Probably perch. This is how our day goes. This was the third flag. Third flag of the day. We got the first 2. And this one. Oh, there, it's stuck. It's stuck.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
stuck. Something. Yeah, it's caught.
Yeah.
Something's caught. Is he there?
Yeah, he's there.
Yeah, he's there.
Not big.
Not big.
Little.
Oh no.
Perch.
So it is a perch.
Yeah. Look at this.
Oh no. Oh no. Just unhook him and flip him back in the water. Yeah, just his hook is right there, barely hooked. Grab him, I'll flip him.
Look at it. Hold on. Okay.
Gone.
Then
Ah,
like
baby pike. Baby pike. Oh, okay, what should we say?
that. It's really cold.
It's really cold out here.
Minus 28.
And nothing's biting. Right now it's supposed to be go time, show time. Sun is dropping, clouds moved in, but it's really cold, and all we caught today is 3 flags, 3 pike, 3 flags. That's all we got. 1, 2, 3. We caught every single pike. Well, actually, he did. Nothing else. That's it. That's it for our ice fishing adventure 2020. Going back to work. We'll be back.
Warmer weather next time.
Warmer weather. Hopefully the fish are biting. If any of you guys, tell me what you think. Like when it's minus 30, do you guys actually catch fish? Have you figured it out? Tell us. we were trying to think back over the years how many good days we had fishing when the temperature really plummeted to like minus 30. I mean, there are several times when we had good fishing, but most of the times we remember it was pretty slow. So comment below, let me know what you think. Is fishing worth it when it's freezing cold outside? Do the fish ever wake up and eat, or are they just laying around on the bottom in deep water trying to avoid the cold? Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like this video, share it with others, and we'll keep posting more. See you later. Go catch a big one.
The flag was up behind us the whole time in the video. That would have been great.
That'd have been great.